My name is Kimira. I'm 16 and I'm going to 11th grade. And the first day I came to this camp, I didn't expect to get much out of it because, like, in my opinion, my memory was like okay, I can remember stuff. But after the first day, I learned 100 words and in this short amount of time, and I could say the words forwards, backwards, and if you told me like the word, I can tell you like where on the list it was. And I was very impressed, but I didn't see what use that these words could do. Like, it's just a list of 100 words. But on the second day, we learned 100 digits of pi, periodic table, and that really is useful for me because next year I'm taking AP Chemistry and this periodic table will be useful. But I didn't see what further like I could do with the periodic table memorized. But on the third day, we learned applications of all those techniques and everything, and we learned diseases, common body systems, dates, and all that stuff. And so next year I'm taking AP US History, which is very heavy on the dates, and I really feel like the techniques I learned here will help me in memorizing the dates for this. So in these 3 days, I didn't think all this was possible, but it has really helped me, and throughout the camp, everything was enjoyable.